Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Make sure the WF-1000XM4 have charge and the case is open so they can enter pairing mode. On your laptop, open Settings and go to Bluetooth and Devices. Turn Bluetooth on. Once Bluetooth is enabled, make sure you have no other active connections from the earbuds or competing headsets so the laptop sees them cleanly. This avoids interference and speeds pairing, because devices often default to the most recent connection. Once done with preparation, put the earbuds into pairing mode by holding both touch sensors until the LEDs flash. This forces searching. On the laptop, click Add Device, choose Bluetooth, and watch the device list populate. When you see WF-1000XM4, select it. The laptop will exchange a standard Bluetooth handshake and may ask to confirm a PIN. Accept it. Make sure to allow audio and media permissions, if prompted, so the laptop routes sound to the earbuds. To finish, open Sound Settings and set the WF-1000XM4 as the default playback, and input if desired, so apps use them. Play a test track and check the microphone in a recording app. If audio sounds tinny, switch profiles between high-quality stereo and hands-free to match your task. If pairing fails, reset the earbuds by holding their sensors about 10 seconds, then repeat pairing. This clears stale connections that commonly block new laptop pairings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.